Learn English through story, The Boy Who Cried Wolf, a Lie, and a Lesson. Lucas is a young boy who lives in a small village. Every morning, he wakes up early. He puts on his straw hat and brown trousers. He leads his white sheep to a high green hill near the dark forest. The sun shines brightly on the grass. The sheep eat slowly and move around. Lucas sits under a big oak tree. The air is fresh and quiet. However, Lucas feels very bored. He wants something exciting to happen in the quiet field. He looks down at the village. He sees Mr. Thomas working in the garden. He sees Miss Anna cleaning her blue dress. He sees Mr. Henry fixing a wooden door. Everyone is busy working hard under the warm morning sun. Lucas thinks of a naughty plan. He wants to play a trick on the villagers. He stands up on a large rock. He takes a deep breath and screams loudly, "Wolf! Wolf!" A big gray wolf is eating the sheep. In the village, Mr. Thomas hears the scream. He drops his shovel. Miss Anna stops cleaning her apron. Mr. Henry grabs his heavy hammer. They all run fast up the hill. They want to save Lucas and the fluffy sheep. The villagers arrive at the top of the hill. They are out of breath. Their faces are red. They look around the green grass and the dark trees. They do not see a wolf. They only see the sheep eating quietly. Lucas starts to laugh. He points at the villagers. "There is no wolf," he says. "I was only joking. You all look so funny and tired." He laughs until his stomach hurts. He thinks his trick is very clever. Mr. Thomas looks very angry. His gray beard shakes. "Do not tell lies, Lucas," he says sternly. "A lie is not a joke. We stopped our work to help you. Do not do this again." The villagers walk back down. The next day, the sky is clear and blue. Lucas is back on the hill. The sheep are resting. Lucas feels bored again. He remembers how funny the villagers looked yesterday. He decides to play the same trick one more time. He stands on the rock again. He waves his arms wildly. "Help! Wolf! Wolf! Help me please," he shouts at the top of his lungs. His voice echoes through the valley. He pretends to be very scared and small. Down in the village, the people stop. "Is that Lucas again?" Miss Anna asks. "Maybe there really is a wolf this time," Mr. Henry says. They drop their tools and run up the hill again to save the boy. They reach the hill, panting for air. They look behind every bush. They look behind the big oak tree. There is no wolf. There is only Lucas, rolling on the grass and laughing loudly. He thinks it is the best joke. "I fooled you again." Lucas cries. "You are all so easy to trick." He finds it very funny that the adults ran so fast for nothing. He does not see that the villagers are not smiling at all. Miss Anna looks sad. "We trusted you, Lucas," she says softly. Mr. Henry narrows his eyes behind his glasses. "A liar will not be believed, even when he speaks the truth," he warns. They turn and leave him alone. Later that afternoon, the sun starts to go down. The shadows of the trees grow long and dark. Suddenly, Lucas hears a low growl. He sees two glowing yellow eyes in the tall grass. A real wolf steps out. The wolf is very big and scary. It has sharp teeth and gray fur. It looks at the sheep with hungry eyes. The sheep start to run and cry. Lucas is terrified. His hands shake and his face turns very pale. Lucas climbs the big oak tree as fast as he can. He screams with all his might, "Wolf! Wolf! There is a real wolf! Please help me! It is eating the sheep! Help! Help!" He cries for the villagers. In the village, Mr. Thomas hears the cry. He continues to dig with his shovel. "Lucas is playing another trick," he says. Miss Anna sighs and continues her work. "He is just trying to make us run again," she thinks. Nobody comes to help. Mr. Henry hears the screams but stays in his shop. "He lied twice," Mr. Henry says. "We cannot trust his words anymore." The villagers stay in their homes while the sun disappears behind the hills. The wolf chases the sheep into the dark forest. Many sheep are gone. Lucas stays in the tree, crying. He is cold and alone. He realizes that his jokes were a big mistake. He lost his sheep because of his lies. When the moon is high, Lucas walks back to the village. He has no sheep. His straw hat is torn. He goes to Mr. Thomas and cries. "I am so sorry," he sobs. "There was a wolf, but nobody came." Mr. Thomas looks at the boy kindly but sadly. "That is what happens to liars, Lucas," he explains. "When you tell lies, people stop listening. Even when you are telling the truth, nobody will believe a person who lies." Lucas learns a very important lesson that night. He promises to always tell the truth. He works hard to earn back the trust of the village. From that day on, he never tells a lie again, and he becomes a man of his word.